Hey everyone, and welcome to another Plaky tutorial. My name is Julian, and in this walkthrough, we'll cover how to save time and boost your workflow using the Board Automations feature. So whether you're managing tasks, deadlines, or teams, using the automation tool will help you take care of all the monotonous stuff so you can focus more on what actually matters. So let's dive in. So what are board automations? Board automations are like having your own smart personal assistant inside Plaky. So they follow the rules you set to help you tackle all the repetitive tasks like updating statuses, assigning tasks, and sending notifications. You can apply them to both items and sub-items depending on what works for your setup. So to get started, open any board and in the top right corner, go over to the Automations button and access the Automation Center page. From there, you can create or manage your automations. How do board automations work? Here's a quick breakdown. When something happens, if it meets a specific criteria, then do this. And that's it. Let's build one together so you can see it in action. First, start your new automation. First, head on over to the Automation Center and select New Automation or Add Automation to open up the custom builder. Give it a name, but be sure to name it something that has to do with its function, like Notify Manager when task is stuck. Second, choose your trigger. The trigger is the when something happens part. You can choose from a few different trigger types, like item field changes, which are when a field value, like status, changes from to do to in progress. Item moved, where you can move items to different groups, like moving from backlog to in progress, and item subscriber changes. A change where a subscriber or team member is added or removed from a task. Click on when this happens to set your trigger, select the type, and fill in the details. So for example, you want something to happen when a task's status changes from in progress to stuck. That's your trigger. Third, add optional conditions. So you want more control. So add a condition. This tells Plaky to only run the automation in specific situations. Select the add condition, pick your type, and set the rule. Let's say you only want your automation to run when an item is in a specific group. Adding a condition keeps things targeted so that your automation only runs when it actually happens. Need to cover more ground? You can add extra or if conditions. This way, your automation stays smart and focused, not firing off when it's not supposed to. 4, define your action. Now tell Plaky what to do. This is the then do this part. Here are a few options. Move the task to another group, assign someone to the task, update a field like status or due date. Say you want Maria from product to be automatically assigned if a task gets marked as stuck. This is where you set that up. 5, create your automation. So once everything is set, click Create Automation, and it's live. Whenever your trigger and your conditions match, your automation runs. No extra work from you. And you'll see it logged in the board and task activity, plus you'll get a heads up notification. So you're not sure where to start? Try these. Notify your manager when a key milestone is hit. Auto set the due dates for new tasks. Change status to in progress when someone joins a task. Assign Q&A automatically when a design is ready for review. These are just a few ways to let automations handle the busy work for you. Need to make a change? Easy. Go to the Automations List tab, find your automation, and click the 3 dots. From there, you can edit, delete, or temporarily disable it with a toggle. To see how many animations you've used this month, click the 3 dots next to your workspace name. Select Automations. You'll get a breakdown of how many runs are used and how many you've got left based on your plan. Heads up. Each time an automation is triggered, it counts as one use. And that's all you need to know about board automations in Plaky. You can build them, tweak them, and make work much easier. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked what you saw, feel free to look at our other videos on our website or check us out on YouTube. That's all for now, and I'll see you next time.